और बात करें, एक छोटी सी रिकॉर्डिंग लेते। दिस रिकॉर्डिंग विल बी अराउंड ऑफ 10 to 12 मिनट्स। और इस रिकॉर्डिंग में हम लोग कस्टम का सर्च एंड सीजर पे जो पूरा का पूरा थ्योरी चैप्टर बोला जाता है, विल ट्राई टू रिकैप्चुलेट। सबसे पहले हम लोग बात करें सेक्शन 100। 100 and 101 both are the section dealing with search. Under section 100, the proper officer can search any person who is entering into the custom port, who is exiting or who is making embark, or who is disembarking from the conveyance, or who is standing in the custom port. The search can be made only at custom port or in the conveyance up to Indian custom water. Proper officer can make search only if he has reason to believe that the person has something which is liable to confiscation. Number next, 101. Under this section, authorized proper officer can make a search of any person for whom he has reason to believe that he has secreted something which is liable to confiscation. Here the search can be made only for specified goods. Specified goods are gold, diamond, jewelry, watches. For these goods search can be made. If we differentiate between 100 and 101, then under section 100, proper officer can make a search. 101, authorized proper officer can make a search who has been authorized by commissioner. Under section 100, search is confined to custom port or up to Indian custom water. Under section 101, search can be made anywhere in India. Under section 100, the search can be made for any goods. Under section 101, search can be made only for notified goods. In both these sections, the proper officer can make a search if he has reason to believe that the person has secreted something which is liable to confiscation. Over 102. 102 में सर्च में जिस बंदे की सर्च हो रही है, उस बंदे के पास क्या अथॉरिटी है, क्या राइट है, उसके बारे में थोड़ी बातें दी हुई है. A person who is facing search may demand that he can be searched only in the presence of magistrate. He can demand that his search should be vetoed by magistrate or gazetted officer. If he so demands, then he will be taken to magistrate or gazetted officer. If the magistrate gazetted officers are not available, he will be detained for the time being. As soon as the magistrate or gazetted officer available, he will be taken to him, he will be taken to magistrate, and thereafter magistrate will justify for reason to believe. Thereafter magistrate will veto search. Okay? This is obvious that lady will be searched only by lady. Next, 103. 103 deals with X-ray provision. जिस बंदे की सर्च हो रही है, if the proper officer has reason to believe that he had secreted something inside his body, then the person will be taken to magistrate. Thereafter magistrate will ask, justify or will veto the reasons of such belief. If the magistrate is of the opinion that he had secreted something inside his body, then he will veto X-ray. The X-ray report will be furnished by radiologists to the magistrate. Magistrate, after verifying X-ray report, will veto operation. If the person facing search deny operation, then he can be punished with imprisonment up to 6 months. After 6 months, after this prosecution provision, he will again be operated. Lady will be operated by lady. Khatam. 804. Provision relating to arrest. Arrest में हम लोग ऑफेंसेस को दो पार्ट में डिवाइड करते हैं, कॉग्निजेबल ऑफेंस, नॉन कॉग्निजेबल ऑफेंस. Cognizable offense are those offenses in which arrest can be made without warrant. In custom law, there are two offenses. Number one, duty evasion in excess of 50 lakh. Import, export of prohibited goods. In two cases, the arrest can be made without warrant. In rest of the cases, warrant needed, warrant from magistrate. Next, billable offense, non-billable offense. 4 varieties of offences are known as non-billable offence. These are: number 1, evasion of duty in excess of 50 lakh. Number 2, illegal import export of goods value rupees 1 crore or more. Claim of duty drawback in excess of 50 lakh illegally. Prohibited goods import or export. In all the 4 cases, custom officer cannot grant bail. However, magistrate or court can grant bail. Over. Next, 105. Search of the premises. Proper officer who is authorized by commissioner can go for a search of any premises authorized in the warrant. The warrant cannot be a general warrant. It must be specific regarding search. The search can be conducted at any time, working hours, non-working hours, but the reason to believe must be available before search, before initiation of search. After search, if the reason to believe is generated, then this is not a valid search. 106. Search of conveyance. If the proper officer has reason to believe that any conveyance is having certain goods or documents which is liable to confiscation, then proper officer may search conveyance. Conveyance में सब आ जाते भाई, rail, vessels, vehicle, aircraft, animals. For this purpose, a chase may be given to the conveyance. If after a chase, if the vessels, vehicle, whatever is not stopping, then international signals can be utilized for stopping. And even after chase in signals, if the conveyance is not stopping, then it can be fired upon. During search, the proper officer can can open the door, can do rummaging, whatever. 106 over. 109. If there is any import via land route, then on after entry into India, the vehicle must reach to custom port, and it must be in the 7C route. If it is found in any other route apart from 7C, then it will be liable to confiscation if it is not having custom clearance paper. 7C route. 110. Seizure. During search, if the proper officer has reason to believe or reason to doubt that anything is liable to confiscation, he will seize it. And if the goods are hazardous, voluminous, and cannot be taken up, then it will be sealed. It will be detained. Such detention will be treated as deemed seizure. Though there is no time limit for how long it can be detained, but it can be detained for a reasonable period of time, not forever. In case of search, there is a time limit. In case of seizure, there is a time limit that after seizure, the department must furnish show cause notice within 6 months. And if department fails to furnish such show cause notice within 6 months, then the seized goods shall have to be returned, though the proceedings shall continue. This time limit of 6 months can be extended by commissioner, but before such extension, commissioner must intimate assessee the reason of such extension. Fine. During the seized goods, till the show cause notice is not received, during this period of time, the importer may apply proper officer for release of goods, for provisional release of goods under section 110A. In that case, he will apply. Proper officer will ask for bond with security. He will furnish the bond with security, and thereafter the goods will be released provisionally. To be noted, processing shall be continued. If after seizure, the proper officer is of the opinion that the goods are perishable in nature, or goods are deteriorating its value, or there is no sufficient space to keep the goods, then the proper officer has the power to sell the goods For this purpose, he will have to make a list of the goods to be sold, take up some samples, photograph, and apply to magistrate. If magistrate authorizes, then the PO can sell the goods and keep money with him. Whenever the adjudication proceedings will be over, that money will be either handed over to importer, SSE, or will be kept by department, depending upon the decision of adjudication. Hatao. 111. Confiscation. The imported goods can be confiscated in any of the following situation. There are several situations, हम लोग कुछ discuss कर रहे हैं. यदि आपने IGM में declaration नहीं दिया and the goods are found on the vessels, the goods will be liable to confiscation. If you are making unloading without entry inward, it will lead to confiscation. If the goods are unloaded at different wharf, not mentioned in entry inward, it will lead to confiscation. If the goods are unloaded without supervision, if the goods are unloaded on holidays, etc., without overtime charges, if the baggage declaration are not given, if the parcel details are wrong, if goods are unloaded at a port other than custom port, etc., etc., then if the goods are found not in 7C route, if the goods are transit without bill of transshipment, etc., etc., then the goods will be liable to confiscation. 112. Penalty on imported goods. Penalty on imported goods. In case of imported goods, penalty shall be as under. We divide penalty in two divisions. पहले में 2 है, दूसरे में 3 है. पहला, यदि prohibited goods आप लेके आए, तो आपको ऊपर penalty लगेगी equal to value of goods. Number 2, यदि आप dutiable goods लेके आए, violating the provisions, then the penalty shall be 10% of duty evaded or 5,000 whichever is higher. यदि आप bill of entry में ज्यादा value declare कर रहे हैं, तो penalty shall be difference in value. यदि prohibited goods लेके आ रहे हो और ज्यादा value declare कर रहे हो, then the penalty shall be difference in value, actual value of 5,000 whichever is higher. यदि dutiable goods लेके आ रहे हो और value ज्यादा declare कर रहे हो, then the penalty shall be duty sought to be evaded, difference in value, 5,000 whichever is higher. हटाते हैं. 113. इसमें export goods कब confiscate होगा, इसके कुछ provisions दिए हुए. It contains the list when the export goods shall be liable to confiscation. Number 1, 2, 3, 4. When the shipping bill is wrongly declared, false information are given in shipping bill. When the goods are exported from a port other than custom port. When undue duty drawback is claimed. When after export goods are coming back to India illegally, etc., etc. In all these cases, goods will be liable to confiscation. 114. Penalty. In case of export, the penalty shall be as under. Number 1. 3 बातें. Prohibited goods, dutiable goods, other goods. पहले other goods बता दो, आसान है. Other goods में penalty will be declared value or actual value whichever is higher. Prohibited goods में declared value, actual value whichever is higher into 3 times. Dutiable goods 10% of the duty evaded or 5,000 whichever is higher. 114 खत्म. 115. जिस कन्वेंस में गुड्स आ रहा था उस कन्वेंस को भी सीज किया जा सकता है, कन्फिस्केट किया जा सकता है यदि if the conveyance is used for illegal import export, conveyance is used for smuggling. Number 2, if the conveyance is designed in such a manner that it will be used for concealing goods. If the goods are jettisoned from the conveyance, if goods are short landed, import हुआ था 1000, इंडिया में आया 500, अरे short landing, confiscation. In all these cases, the owner of conveyance has a right to prove his innocence. If the owner of the conveyance proves that he was not knowingly involved in such smuggling, then the conveyance will be released. 116. 115 किया ना? हाँ. 116 कराया? नहीं कराया. 117. कस्टम में जनरल पेनल्टी होती है मैक्सिमम 1 लाख. 118, 19, 120, 121 में मैंने आपको कराया कि गुड्स कन्फिस्केट हो सकता है. पैकेज, जिस पैकेज से आपने उसे पैकिंग किया है वो भी कन्फिस्केट हो सकता है। यदि आपने किसी और गुड्स को यूज किया है फॉर हाइडिंग द गुड्स, तो वो और वाला गुड्स भी कन्फिस्केट हो सकता है। आपको एग्जांपल याद है जीन्स के साथ डायमंड। तीसरा, यदि आपने उसको फर्दर प्रोसेस कर लिया तो फर्दर प्रोसेस गुड्स भी कन्फिस्केट हो सकता है। चौथा, यदि आपने उस गुड्स को और प्रोसेस करके बेच दिया तो आपकी सेल प्रोसीड्स भी कन्फिस्केट हो सकती है। वी कवर्ड 121। 122 मैंने नहीं कराया, वो एडजुडिकेशन से रिलेटेड है। 123, ओनर्स टू प्रूफ लाइज ऑन हुम। तो इन केस द इंपोर्टेड गुड्स आर ज्वेलरी, bullion, watches, specified goods, notified goods, then the onus to prove is on SSE. Otherwise, onus is on department. 124 पहले ही आपने कर लिया था शो क्लॉज नोटिस में। 125